Introducing our Australian made roll around hinge. Place it on the bottom gudgeon, press firmly, it'll roll around into position. You can swing the gate around like so. It'll stay there automatically and stay closed, and all we have to do then is put your pin in position, and there it is, your gate's hung. Why do we need it? Things like machinery sheds, hay sheds, posts, they're easy to fit. It takes only minutes to fit one of these. It comes with either a 14mm hole or a 6mm hole, so you can either bolt it or tack screw it to steel post, timber post, whatever it is that you want to put it on. You take the gate off, pull the pin, roll it, pull it off. Put it back on again. Certainly better than running your tractor into your gate when you're putting your hay in your shed. Nice narrow construction, so you can put two on one post. Alright, so you can have one side by side, especially for those middle gates.